In the year 1952, veteran freedom fighter Shri Sakal Chand Patel established Nutan Sarva Vidyalaya Kelavani Mandal in Visnagar, Gujarat, with the aim to strengthen the pillars of education in the life of every student belonging to North Gujarat region. With the aim of visionary Shri Sakal Chand Patel to make Nutan Sarva Vidyalaya Kelavani Mandal the hub center of multidisciplinary education in the region. Sakal Chand Patel University was established under Gujarat Private University Amendment Act No. 9 of 2016. Sakal Chand Patel University also recognized by the University Grant Commission under Section 2F of the UGC Act 1956.
The aim of Sri Sakal Chand Patel was to reach out to maximum students through excellent and quality education. Sakal Chand Patel University was established to take this mission to all new heights.
50 acres of sprawling campus, dotted with trees and lawn every day, see thousands of students fulfilling their cherished dreams. The professors here help the students to enable excellence by nurturing and guiding them to follow their dreams of bright future. The holistic curriculum of the university ensures that every student can get the desired education with satisfaction, guidance, and facilities. Sakal Chand Patel University includes various technical courses like BTech, MTech, Diploma Engineering, BCA, and MCA, and various medical and paramedical courses like MBBS, BDS, MDS, BPharm, MPharm, BSc Nursing, MSc Nursing, ANM, GNM, and BPT. The university also offers management, science and humanities courses like BBA, MBA, BSc, MSc, BCom, MCom, fashion designing, and PhD.
On behalf of Sakal Chand Patel University, we welcome national and international students for Brighter Tomorrow. Every individual who enters Sakal Chand Patel University just as a student exits as an intellectual human capital of nation who is readily employable anywhere in the world.
We are growing leaps and bounds within just short span of its formation. Sakal Chand Patel University is ranked among the top 20 universities rated by GSIRF among 76 universities in Gujarat. Also, Sakal Chand Patel University is the only private university in North Gujarat that offers medical, paramedical, technical, management, science and humanities courses in a single place. Sakal Chand Patel University has made a Guinness World Record of dental health checkup of 14,978 people at a single time. University also runs a Gujarat government-granted student startup and innovation policy cell, where university helps their students' innovative ideas to grow as a successful startup. University facilitates regarding research, patent, and also has MOUs with top universities and research institutes of the world. The university has an excellent library where students can find resources and enrich their knowledge to achieve their goals. The campus also includes ground for activities like cricket, volleyball, basketball and football, including indoor games like table tennis and badminton. With all these, we believe that extracurricular activities add to the personality of students. Our students organized and arranged cultural and traditional events such as Udaan and Thanganat every year. After graduating from the university, students have various career options, including placement in reputed companies with the help of our in-campus placement cell. The only university in Gujarat that is rapidly growing over time with rapidly changing times, Sakal Chand Patel University.
गुरु गुरु अमृत है जगत में, बाकी सब विष बेल। सतगुरु संत अनंत है, प्रभु से कर दे मेल। द लाइट। the guide, the support, the inspiration. As many words I say, the influence extends till eternity. Yes, I'm talking about the one because of whom the civilization has reached its zenith. Yes, I'm talking about the one who touches our hearts and soul. Yes, I'm talking about the noblest of all professionals, the teachers. A very happy Teachers' Day to one and all. Before we begin, I request everyone to remember Almighty for His blessing.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापम् सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तु ते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश्च मतिं स्वच्छां हि मे सदा रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् यस्य तिष्ठे गृहे दीपः तस्य नास्ति दरिद्रता शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
What a beautiful day to be celebrated, and that too in the premises of Sakalchand Patel University, whose one and only motto is Athato Gyan Jigyasa. पढ़ाया, लिखाया, बहुत कुछ सिखाया, क्या अच्छा, क्या बुरा, सभी कुछ बताया। मैं कुछ भी तो ना थी, समझ भी कहाँ थी, समझदार भी तो आप ही ने बनाया। With a heart full of gratitude, I request our Honorable Provost, Professor Dr. V.K. Srivastava, sir, to please welcome the august audience.
गुड मॉर्निंग। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। आज हम सभी भारत के द्वितीय राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जी का जन्म दिवस शिक्षक दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं। आज उसी उपलक्ष्य में हम सभी यहाँ पर इकट्ठे हुए हैं। Respected President of Sakalchand Patel University, Shri Prakash Bhai Patel, Chief Guest of today's function, Dr. Jayanarayan Vyas Sir, Dr. Alok Kumar, Registrar of Sakalchand Patel University, Deans of Sakalchand Patel Universities, Trustees of Sakalchand Patel University, my fellow colleagues, and all the august audience who has joined this program. सबसे पहले मैं मेरे सभी गुरुओं को नमन करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मुझे गुणवत्ता युक्त शिक्षा प्रदान करके इस योग्य बनाया और मैं उनकी दी हुई शिक्षा का इस्तेमाल करते हुए एक नई दिशा, एक नया आयाम देने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं। टीचर्स गिव न्यू डायमेंशन टू स्टूडेंट्स। एक नई दिशा जो विद्यार्थियों में जाती है वो गुरुओं के द्वारा जाती है। गुरु की वाणी में गुरु तत्व है, गुरु के व्यक्तित्व में गुरुत्व है। ऐसे समस्त गुरुओं को मेरा सत नमन। गुरुओं की श्रृंखला में अगर हम बात करें तो चाणक्य एक बहुत बड़े गुरु हुए हैं जिन्होंने विक्रमादित्य को सम्राट की कुर्सी तक पहुंचाया और उनका एक कोट मैं आप सभी के समक्ष प्रस्तुत करना चाहता हूं। शिक्षक कभी साधारण नहीं होता, प्रलय और निर्माण उसकी गोद में पलते हैं। यानी कि जो शिक्षक की गुणवत्ता है, उसका जो सम्मान है वो उस लेवल का होता है कि जहां तक भी वो चाहे विद्यार्थी के चरित्र निर्माण की बात हो या किसी अन्य प्रकार का उसका व्यक्तित्व निर्माण की बात हो, उसमें शिक्षक की भूमिका अहम होती है। Mediocre teachers tells, good teachers explain, superior teachers demonstrate and great teacher inspire। ऐसे सभी गुरु जो विद्यार्थियों को इंस्पायर करते हैं, उन सभी को मेरा सत नमन। आज मैं उन सभी शिक्षकों को सत नमन करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने लोगों को थंब इम्प्रेशन से सिग्नेचर तक की यात्रा में ले गए। यानी कि उनको थंब इम्प्रेशन से सिग्नेचर तक ले जाने में उनकी बहुत अहम भूमिका रही है। इसलिए मैं उन सभी शिक्षकों को सत नमन करता हूं। मैं एक मैसेज यहां पर देना चाहूंगा कि टेक्नोलॉजी, द यूज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी इन एजुकेशन, जो कि नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 2020 में भी उसका जिक्र किया गया है, उसी के कुछ पहलुओं पर मैं आपका ध्यान आकर्षित करना चाहूंगा। शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में अगर आप देखिए तो शुरुआत ब्लैक बोर्ड से हुई, फिर हम ग्रीन बोर्ड पे गए, फिर हम व्हाइट बोर्ड पे गए, उसके बाद हम पीपीटी पे गए और आज की तारीख में जब कोविड-19 पूरी तरह से संकट बना हुआ है, उसको चुनौती और अवसर में कन्वर्ट करते हुए हम लोगों ने आज ऑनलाइन टीचिंग का इस्तेमाल किया। इसलिए जो भी टेक्नोलॉजीज अवेलेबल हैं शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में उनका उपयोग हो रहा है। तो मैं उन सभी लोगों को भी नमन करता हूं जो टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप करते हैं और शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन देते हैं। इस मूवमेंट पे मैं भारत के पूर्व राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर अब्दुल कलाम जी की भी कुछ पंक्तियां आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत करना चाहता हूं। ग्रेट टीचर emanate out of knowledge, passion and compassion. Being a teacher, we can make very important contribution to all national development initiatives. Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber and future of an individual. If the people remember me as a good teacher, that will be the biggest of honor of me. अंत में मैं एक दोहे के साथ में अपनी बात को पूरा करता हूं। गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े, काके लागे पांव, बलिहारी गुरु आपने, गोविंद दियो बताए। अर्थात गुरु और गोविंद अगर दोनों सामने खड़े हुए हैं तो हम किसको पहले नमन करेंगे? हम गुरु को पहले नमन करेंगे, क्योंकि गुरु ने भगवान तक, प्रभु तक जाने का रास्ता हमें बताया। इसलिए मैं उन सभी गुरुओं को पुनः एक बार नमन करता हूं, उनको वंदन करता हूं। अस्तु, वंदे मातरम, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय जय गुजरात।
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful inspirational words. Every great leader is a great teacher. So, I now request our Honorable President, our Shri Prakash Patel, sir, to encourage all the students of Sakal Chand Patel University.
Morning, everyone. I would like to welcome Dr. Jay Narayan Vyas sir, for sparing his valuable time on the auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day. Welcome, sir. I greet you on this auspicious occasion, the Teachers' Day. I wish Happy Teachers' Day to all of you. This day is remembered because today is the birthday of our great scholar from India and our second president, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan ji, who was a teacher par excellence. Teachers' Day is a special and important day as students offer their respect to their teachers in recognition of their contribution in the field of education. As we all know, we have gathered to celebrate Teachers' Day online. Let me take this opportunity to thank all of our teachers who have been working very hard to teach us online in this pandemic situation, taking education to the next level. This year may have given us tough times, but our teachers have surely been a ray of hope. As well, all know that it is impossible to define teachers, as teachers are not only limited to teaching or guiding students in academics, but also helping students to take their right path. They add value to our character and make us ideal citizens of the country. Secondly, teachers are second parents of the students. Teachers play a prominent role in influencing and inspiring them. Every student tries to imitate their teachers and consider them as a role model. After parents, teachers take the responsibility of molding a child's character at each and every step. From guiding us to motivating us, this year, our respect for teachers worldwide has grown immensely. We know it has been challenging for each one of us, but teachers have been our lockdown mentors. They have supported us throughout and helped us cope with online classes and tests. In these tough times, I would like to thank all the teachers on behalf of each and every student of SPU for your unwearying support. Thank you for guiding us, inspiring us, and making us what we are today. In the wake of coronavirus pandemic, all the schools have been closed for the last few months. With online classes, students and teachers will now be celebrating Teachers' Day 2020 virtually. A Teachers' Day is celebrated every year. I would like to take this opportunity to talk about the history of Teachers' Day and why we are celebrating it. Every year, Teachers' Day is celebrated on the 5th of September. Do you know why this date was chosen? The day marked the birthday anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan ji, who was an Indian scholar. He was also the second president of India from 1962 to 1967. He was a great scholar who dedicated his life towards education. Once he was asked by his students to celebrate his birthday, he simply replied and said, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if September 5th is observed as a Teacher's Day." His birthday was then declared as a Teacher's Day to acknowledge all teachers since 1962. 5th September is observed as a Teacher's Day in India. Here are some interesting quotes I would like to share. The purpose of education is to make good human beings with skill and expertise. Enlightened human being can be created by teachers. If a country is to be corruption free and become a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly feel there are three key social members who can make a difference. They are the father, the mother, and the teacher. And the quote was given us by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ji. Let us remember, one book, one pen, one child, and one teacher can change the world. True teachers are those who help us think for ourselves. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan ji was quoted. I would like to say stay safe, healthy, and keep learning through distance mode. We are and we will keep striving to shape your career for better tomorrow. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to share my thoughts on this auspicious occasion. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Jai Garvi Gujarat.
Thank you, sir, for your motivational words. An academician, an administrator, a public life functionary, a thinker, and a writer. Do we need a better person than this for enlightening us on today's occasion? Dr. Jay Narayan Vyas, a postgraduate of civil engineering from IIT Mumbai, a graduate in law, a postgraduate in management, a doctorate in economics, best alumnus as recognized by Faculty of Technology and Engineering, an administrator in Gujarat's industrial development, chairman of Sardar Sarovar Irrigation Project, a 3 times cabinet minister, author of 300 books. Sir, I'm losing my count for your laurels. Your benign presence has increased the glory of this occasion. But before inviting you for the address, I, as a doctor, would like to thank you extremely for your immense contribution to the medical field as health minister. Sir, I humbly request you to please guide us with your wisdom on role of a teacher in capacity building of next generation. Sir, please, I welcome you.
Thank you very much. Good morning, Dr. Shilpaben, for your kind words of introduction. It's always a pleasure to connect with Sakalchand University, headed by a very dear friend of mine, Prakash Bhai, and equally close to me, Professor Srivastava. I have, since the day the university has been established, I have inculcated a very healthy respect for the educational campus and the kind of educational activities that the university is imparting, racing to become one of the best universities in Gujarat and certainly in North Gujarat. So my compliments to Prakash Bhai and Professor Srivastava and all those teaching faculty members who have made this to happen, because teacher is the soul of any teaching activity. And if you don't have the soul, constructing buildings and having sprawling campuses has no meaning whatsoever. So you need to have a good teacher and equally good material to process on, that is students. So but together they make the university and not those buildings or the physical infrastructure. Of course it is required, but not those buildings or the physical infrastructure. Thank you very much for inviting me on this very special day. As I am a product who all through his life is sort of scripted and modulated by the teachers. If at all I have to say something about the people who have helped me become what I am, start with my mother and then my number of teachers who have been the inspiration in guiding me. But before I come to the subject, let me pay my tributes to the great visionary, educated hardly up to 3rd standard English, that is 7th of today, and a person who had the vision to sort of identify a jewel called Dr. Dhirubhai Thakur, a senior-most student of my high school, LS High School, Sidhpur, and a teacher par excellence, and tell him that don't worry about money, go ahead with your work. And that's how Gujarati Vishwakosh was founded. It is encyclopedia which is specifically making and going to make a sort of condensed source of knowledge getting accumulated now over years, and it has immortalized Sakalchand Bhai for amongst many other works he has done for the social cause, but this is one for which he will be like Bhagwat Singh Ji of Gondal, who created Bhagwat Gomandal, Mahatma Ji, who created Gujarati Sarth Jodni Kosh, and Sakal Chand Bhai, who can be remembered and who shall be remembered as a pioneer who gave Gujarati and Gujarat a Vishwakosh, that is encyclopedia of knowledge. So my tributes to him, and I'm very happy therefore to be today talking to the members of the staff and also the students of the university, which is named after him. So with this, let us begin with a greetings on this very special day to teachers. Now, to me, a teacher is anybody who sort of contributes in betterment of your personality or life. I will give you one such example before formally beginning with my address. You read the book Orchid and Idli, authored by my dear friend Kamath. Now, he is one who has given India its first Ecotel hotel. At one point of time, he was totally submerged, neck deep into the debt, and he made up his mind to commit suicide. So, to bid a final farewell to a friend of his on Nariman Point, he goes to his office, and the friend is busy with something next door. So he says, "Wait, I'll join you." And he sends for him Nariyal Pani. While sipping this, he looked outside the window of this office, and exactly on the other side, the corporation bank building, from the 23rd floor parapet, a person was hanging himself, supporting his very, balancing his body and supporting himself on a small wooden platform, and busy whitewashing or coloring the wall, outside wall. Vittal Venkatesh Kamath, he said to himself that this fellow, for a day's wage, is risking his life, and I am out to realize the dream of my life of setting up the first 5-star ecotel in India. How can I run away from my responsibilities? And he was transformed. When his friends came back, he said that, "Bye, I am leaving." His friend said, why did you come? And we have not talked anything. He said, "Nahi, mujhe mera guru mil gaya." Now that transformed the life of Vittal Venkatesh Kamath, who himself today teaches at many of the IIMs and educational institutions, and created a monument for India, the first ecotel hotel named Orchid at Santa Cruz Airport, which in itself is an excellence center amongst the hotels. So this is what you mean by guru, and the first alphabet you start speaking or you start growling, you learn so many things, some out of your experience, but most out of what your mother mentors you, teaches you, and later that father supplements it. So it is the parents who are the first teachers, and then come the others. Friends, I come from a very rural background. I studied in a school which had 6 standards, government school, and 3 rooms and 3 teachers. From making a beginning from there to the finest educational institution, today amongst top 200 educational institutions in this country, in the world, the one which features at 152nd number, not so good for India, but I am proud of it. It is my IIT Mumbai. Out of 3, it is IIT Delhi and IISc Bangalore. Now, this is what is the creation of my teachers. And I'll tell you while I talk to you slowly. Very rightly, both the quotations which I wanted to cite to you have been quoted and utilized by Professor Srivastava, because as a guru, he has a better right to do that. So I'm not repeating them, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, or Guru Govindo no Kade Kako Lagu Pai. But the greatest guru in the moment of crisis, who has remained my ideal all through, is Krishna. Krishna, the way he guides Arjuna at the time of Mahabharata, and ultimately when he says Gandivam strastate hastat pakchaiva paridayate nacha shaknom yavastatum hamati vacha memana, मेरे हाथ से गांडीव गिर रहा है, मेरी शरीर में दाह हो रहा है, मुझे कोई अच्छी बातें नहीं दिख रही, मेरा मन जो है वो भ्रमित है, चलित है। और तब गीता का उपदेश सुनाने के बाद श्री कृष्ण उन्हें कहते हैं क्लैव्यम अस्मगम पार्थ नैतत्वयि उपपद्यते क्षुद्रम हृदय दौर्बल्यम त्यक्तोत्तिष्ठ परंतप। हे पार्थ परंतप अर्जुन, ये नपुंसक गिरी तुझे शोभा नहीं देती, ये छोड़कर तू, तेरा धर्म है युद्ध करने का, उसमें प्रवृत्त हो। क्लैव्यम अस्मगम पार्थ नैतत्वयि उपपद्यते क्षुद्रम हृदय दौर्बल्यम त्यक्तोत्तिष्ठ परंतप। ये गुरु है जो एक मिट्टी के पिंड में से मनुष्य को महादेव बना दे, वो गुरु है और वो गुरु का उपकार है। We celebrate the Teachers' Day also has been explained to you, and therefore I'll not waste much time on that. But my tributes to Dr. Radhakrishnan, a teacher par excellence, whose friends, when he was a president, requested to celebrate his birthday, and then he said that let us not do it, let it be known as Teachers' Day, because all throughout I have been a teacher, let it be celebrated as a Teachers' Day. That's how we are celebrating today as a Teachers' Day. Now, let me cite you an interesting incident. There was a president of India named Shankar Dayal Sharma. He was on official visit to Oman. Obviously, when a president of India goes to visit any country, the necessary courtesies and protocols are extended. But the Sultan of Oman never goes to the airport to receive anybody. The first surprise was he appeared at the airport to receive Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma. Then, when the flight arrived, landed, instead of waiting for the guest to alight and greet him, the Sultan went right up to the plane and received Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma on his seat. He greeted him and offered his courtesies and received him from his seat. The surprise was yet not over. He escorted him, and then when he was to enter the vehicle, he signaled the driver to go away. Sultan himself drove the car and took him to the place where he was supposed to stay. Later stage, when the journalist asked him that this is something unusual, we have never seen a Sultan of Oman going to receive anybody. Even the President of America comes, he'll not go to the airport to receive. What is it that you went to the airport, went up the plane, received the President of India on his seat, and then drove him up to his official stay place? Sultan said, it is not the President of India. My dear friends, when I was studying at Pune, Professor Shankar Dayal Sharma was my teacher. And I studied under him. And it is the respect which I owe and I must give to my teacher that is the secret why I broke all the protocols and received him. This is what is a teacher. And this is what influence a teacher wields. Student is a raw material, like a raw diamond, and he is crafted by a master craftsman or his teacher all through his studies. And the ideal example, friends, we are part of the old Baroda state. The ideal example of how a teacher can transform life of a rudimentary lifestyle and educated, very little boy from the rural areas to become a great Maharaja who ruled over Gujarat for over 6 decades, and his shashan, his administration was known to be one of the best in the in the contemporary India, was Sir T. Madhav Rao, who was appointed as a tutor to coach the boy called Sayaji Rao, Gaikwad III. The lectures which he delivered to the Maharaja would be were very excellent, and today they are published in a book titled The Minor Hints. They were preserved in, fortunately, Baroda archives, and Gujarat government, long back when I became minister, and my friend Mahendra Trivedi was the Minister of Cultural and Allied Affairs, I requested him to print this book not only in English but get it translated into Gujarati, and Government of Gujarat has this book available. If you want to buy, it's not much costly. But Minor Hints is an ideal treatise how an administrator should behave. The first thing only I'll quote, where Sir Madhav Rao tells a few things to the Maharaja would be, he said that Shrimant Maharaja ne જાણ થાય કે વડોદરા રાજ્યની તિજોરીમાં સંગ્રહાયેલા નાણાં એ વડોદરાના નાગરિકોના પરસેવાની કમાઈની ટેક્સ દ્વારા ઉઘરાવવામાં આવેલી આવક છે. એ મહારાજાની બાપીકી મિલકત નથી, અને એટલે એની એકે એક પાઈનો ઉપયોગ સામાન્ય માણસ અને રાજ્યના હિતમાં થવો જોઈએ. Tell me, how many of our leaders believe this? If they were to be the ideal rulers like Maharaja Sayaji Rao Gaikwad and leave an immortal sort of a fame behind, this is something they would have followed. That the hard-paid money of the tax of the people are not their father's property to spend the way they like and create tamashas the way they want to. I think this is one thing. Second thing he told Maharaja was, and which is a very good lesson for anybody in the field of management or administration, he said કે શ્રીમંત મહારાજાને ખ્યાલ હોવો જોઈએ કે કોઈ પણ જાહેર સમારંભમાં પોતાના કોઈ મિત્ર, ઓળખીતા અથવા અન્ય રીતે પરિચિત હોય તેવી વ્યક્તિ મળે તો તેના સામે જોઈને સ્મિત નહીં કરવું, એની સાથે હસ્તધૂનન નહીં કરવું, એને ભેટવું નહીં. કેમ કે આમ કરવાથી પ્રજામાં એવો સંદેશ જશે કે આ માણસ મહારાજાની નજદીક છે, અને જાણે અજાણે એક આખી કરપ્શનની ચેનલ ઊભી થશે. આજના આપણા નેતાઓ આવું કરે જ ખરા? એમને તો ક્યાંક દૂર દૂર છેલ્લે બેઠેલા દેખાઓ, પશાભાઈ મજામાં, કેમ ચાલે? પશાભાઈ ગામનો ઉતાર હોય પણ એની પાસે 500 મત હોય. આજે જે કરપ્શન ઊભું થયું છે એનું કારણ આ ચેનલ્સ આપણે ઊભી કરી છે, આપણા પોલિટિશિયન્સ એ છે. એણે કહ્યું આગળ કે હજૂરને જો કોઈને મળવાની ઈચ્છા થાય તો હજૂર દરબારમાં બોલાવી અને પોતાના ઉતારે એકાંતમાં મળવું, જેથી કોઈ વ્યક્તિ મહારાજાની નજીક છે એનો શોક અથવા દાખલો કરીને એ કરપ્શન ઊભું ના કરી શકે. Now this is what was Sir Madhav Rao, who sort of sculptured a Maharaja who ruled state of Baroda, and whose rule has been immortalized as one of the finest rule in the history of Indian princes. This is what a teacher can do. Sir Arvind Ghosh, he was Revenue Secretary of Sayaji Rao Gaikwad. He was also Professor of English at Baroda College. Once they were traveling the rural area, વેશ પલટો કરીને ઘોડેસવાર થઈને બંને જતા હતા. There was a lady. એણે ઘાસનો ભારો થોડો વધારે ભારે બાંધ્યો છે. She saw these two people coming, so she requested કે ભાઈ મને ભારો માથે ચડાવી દો ને. સયાજીરાવ ગાયકવાડનું શરીર બહુ કસાયેલું ને કસરત હતું. ફટાક દઈને ઘોડેથી નીચે ઉતરીને ભારો માથે બેનની મૂકી દીધો. બેન એના રસ્તે, મહારાજા અરવિંદ એના રસ્તે. ત્યારે અરવિંદના મોઢામાં દોસ્તો સ્મિત હતું. મહારાજા પણ બહુ વિચક્ષણ વ્યક્તિત્વ હતા. એને પૂછ્યું કે રમૂજ જેવું શું લાગ્યું? અને અરવિંદે જે જવાબ આપ્યો તે સાંભળવા જેવો છે. અરવિંદે કહ્યું કે મહારાજા, એક આદર્શ રાજાનું કામ પ્રજાના માથેથી ભાર ઉતારવાનો છે. તમે ભાર ચડાવ્યો એથી મને રમૂજ થઈ. અને સયાજીરાવ ત્યાંથી પાછા વળ્યા. બે વસ્તુ થઈ. એક તો પેલી બેનનું નામ સરનામું લઈને તામ્રપત્ર ઉપર લખી આપ્યું વર્ષાસન કે જેથી જિંદગીભર એને ભારો ના ઉચકવો પડે. અને બીજું, વડોદરા રાજ્યમાં જ્યાં જ્યાં સીમમાંથી આવતા રસ્તા ત્રિભેટે મળતા હતા ત્યાં આપણે જેને વિહામીઓ કહીએ છીએ એવા પિલર્સ બનાવ્યા કે જેના ઉપર ભારો મૂકી અને આરામ કરી શકાય અને કોઈની મદદ વગર પાછો ભારો માથે. This is how the administrative reforms take place. This is how a learning person can learn out of these small incidents. This is how a teacher can transform a personality. Going further, the best teacher is one who inculcates excellence in his student. And that is why it is said for a best father and best teacher that putrat shishyat ichet parajaya. પુત્ર અને શિષ્ય એવા પાકવા જોઈએ કે જેનાથી શિક્ષક ઓળખે કે આના વિદ્યાર્થી છે. સુલતાન ઓફ ઓમાન એ મહાન હશે એના રાજ્યમાં, પણ અહીંયા શંકરદયાળ શર્મા એ એના શિષ્યના કારણે ઓળખાય ઉમરમાં જાય ત્યારે. એ સાચી વાત છે. અને એટલા માટે કહ્યું છે કે સ્વદેશે પૂજ્યતે રાજા વિદ્વાન સર્વત્ર પૂજ્યતે. જે રાજ્ય વિદ્વાનોની કદર નથી કરતું, જે રાજ્ય જ્ઞાની માણસોને અળગા કરે છે તેનો વિનાશ થાય છે. અને સૌથી વધારે એની ભોગવણી કરવાનું, તકલીફ ભોગવવાનું કામ પ્રજાનું આવે છે. કારણ કે પ્રજા બિલકુલ હતપ્રભ થઈને નપુસકતાથી આ રાજાને એની મનમાની કરતો જોઈ રહે છે. આ વાત એ શિક્ષકના જીવનમાં એક આદર્શ વસ્તુ છે કે તમે you are a person who sort of elevates an individual into an excellence. સયાજીરાવ ગાયકવાડ બહુ ગામડામાંથી હતો, સામાન્ય છોકરો હતો. એમાંથી મહારાજા સયાજીરાવનું ઘડતર જે કર્યું એવા તો અનેક દાખલા છે. અને એ દાખલા આજે મારે તમને કેટલાક મારા જીવનમાંથી જ કહેવા છે. એટલે પોતાના અનુભવથી વધારે સારું કોઈ વસ્તુ ના હોઈ શકે. બે દાખલા છે મારા જીવનમાંથી મારે તમને કહેવા છે. જયનારાયણ વ્યાસ SSC માં પહેલા નંબરે સિદ્ધપુર હાઈસ્કૂલમાં પાસ થયેલા, જિલ્લામાં પણ એમનો રેન્ક હતો. હાઈસ્કૂલ સ્કોલરશિપ પરીક્ષામાં આખા મહેસાણા જિલ્લામાં પહેલા નંબરે. એટલે મગજમાં એક રહી હતી કે આપણે બહુ હોશિયાર છે. એ રહીમાં ને રહીમાં MS યુનિવર્સિટીમાં એડમિશન મળી ગયું. SSC માં ડિસ્ટિંક્શન હતું, સારા માર્ક્સ હતા, નેશનલ સ્કોલર હતો. પણ ખરી કમબખતી તો મારી રાહ જોતી હતી. એક તો મારી માં, એકનો એક છોકરો વડોદરા ભણવા મોકલવાનો, કોઈ દાડો ઘર બહાર કાઢેલો નહીં. એટલે મુહૂર્ત જોરાયું. અમે જયનારાયણ ના ક્લાસ ચાલુ થઈ ગયા એના 11મા કે 12મા દિવસે આ રોલ નંબર 575 એ પ્રેપરેટરી સાયન્સ એફ ડિવિઝનના પાછલી બેન્ચે જઈને બેઠા. આપણું વજન 46 કિલો હતું અને વ્યક્તિત્વના નામે 0. આ રો મટીરિયલ સીધું પટકાણું જઈને MS યુનિવર્સિટીમાં, જે એ જમાનાની વન ઓફ ધી ફાઇનેસ્ટ વર્લ્ડ ક્લાસ યુનિવર્સિટીઝ ઇન ધ વર્લ્ડ. 50% કરતા વધારે વિદ્યાર્થીઓ વિદેશથી આવતા. સિનિયર કેમ્બ્રિજ ભણીને આવે, 30 ફૂટ અંગ્રેજી બોલાય. ત્યાં આ નમૂનો જઈને પછડાણ, જેને ખબર નહોતી કે ચેરી બ્લોઝમ એ બુટ પોલિશ નું નામ છે કે ફૂલનું નામ છે, બ્રિલ ક્રીમ ખવાય કે માથામાં નખાય. અને તમે જેને શેમ્પુ કહો છો એ શેમ્પુ છે કે તેલ, એનો ભેદ આપણને ખબર નહોતો. 4.5 રૂપિયાના કેનવાસના બૂટ એ મારી મોટામાં મોટી મૂડી હતી. કારણ ક્રિકેટ રમતો હતો એટલે કેનવાસના બૂટ પહેરતો હતો અને પછી સ્લીપર પહેરવા. 6 આનામાં ટાયરના ચંપલ આવતા. એ ચંપલ અમારા ત્યાં ફેશન હતી વખતે હાઈસ્કૂલ. આ બધું સાજ સરંજામ બેકગ્રાઉન્ડ વાળા આપણે ગયા. સાહેબ ત્યાંનું અંગ્રેજી કશું સમજાય નહીં. અને આ સાઇન થીટા અને કોસ થીટા અને ટેન થીટા ને એવી આપણી સામે વિકરાળ રાક્ષસોની આંખ પાડીને બેસી જાય. I did a wonderful performance in the first test. Wonderful in the real sense that out of all the subjects, I scored highest 3 out of 50 and 0 in 3 subjects. You can imagine what could have been my mental condition. But professors those days, they really cared for their students. So our chemistry professor, Professor J.S. Dave, he sort of wanted to meet all those heroes like me who scored 0 in chemistry. He wanted to know what is the problem, whether there is a problem with his teaching or problem with something else. So આપણો નંબર આવ્યો, ગયા. એક વસ્તુ જિંદગીમાં હતી કે ભગવાન કરે તે ભલા માટે, કંઈક નું કંઈક તો બારી ખોલશે. એટલે સાહેબે પૂછ્યું પડે કે આવો, એટલે થોડું સ્માઈલ આવ્યું મોઢા પર, કારણ કે શું બહાદુરી કરી છે તે હસવાનું. સાહેબ કઈ નહીં, એમ જ. કેટલા માર્ક છે કેમેસ્ટ્રી? સાહેબ 0 છે. એટલે તમે બોલાવ્યા છે. બાપા શું કરે છે? મેં રેલવેમાં હતા, રિટાયર થઈ ગયા. ભીખ માંગવી છે? મેં કહ્યું સાહેબ અત્યારે તો એવું લાગે છે શક્યતા બહુ જ ઉજ્જવળ છે. મને કે કોઈ લાજ શરમ છે તારામાં? મેં શું કરું સાહેબ, મને કઈ સમજાતું નથી ક્લાસમાં. આ અંગ્રેજી એ ઝુઓલોજીમાં ફાઇલમ વર્ટિબ્રેટા અને ફાઇલમ મોલ્યુસ્કા અને સબ ફાઇલમ વર્ટિબ્રેટા અને સદા ફૂલ ને વિંકારોઝિયા કહેવાનું. મેં કીધું સાહેબ આ બધું કઈક મારા પલ્લે પડતું છે. એમાં ગણિત તો બિલકુલ, આ ટ્રિગ્નોમેટ્રી તો મેં જિંદગીમાં કોઈ દાડો, મેં કીધું સાહેબ ડ્રોઈંગમાં ડબ્બો દોરીને 3 ડાયમેન્શનમાં હું દોરી શક્યો નથી. મને ડબ્બો હંમેશા લંબતો રસ્તે દેખાયો. ફોર્ચ્યુનેટલી એના મોટા ભાઈ મારા ફાધર સાથે સ્ટેશનમાં હતા, એમાંથી ઓળખાણ નીકળી. પછી એણે કહ્યું કે કાલથી ફિઝિક્સ ને કેમેસ્ટ્રી હું તને શીખવાડીશ મારા ત્યાં આવવામાં. મેં મનમાં ગણતરી માંડી. એ વખતે 500 રૂપિયા પર ટર્મ ચાલતું, એટલે 2 ટર્મના 1000 રૂપિયા, 2 વિષયના 2000 રૂપિયા. પણ અમારે ત્યાં એક ગણિતના ટીચર હતા, પ્રોફેસર R.K. પંડ્યા, ટીચર પાર એક્સેલન્સ, ગણિત મ્યુઝિકની માફક શીખવાડે. એ રાજ કપૂર તરીકે જાણીતા હતા, કારણ કે રાજ કપૂરના જેટલા પિક્ચર આવે એમાં જે ડ્રેસ રાજ કપૂર પહેરે એ અમારા પંડ્યા સાહેબ સીવડાવીને પહેરે, અને સૂટ બૂટ વગર દેખાય. છોકરીઓ સાલી, છોકરાઓને ઘાસ નહીં નાખે, અને આ પ્રોફેસર ઉપર લાઈન મારે. આવો અદભુત માણસ. પણ એ મેથમેટિક્સના ટ્યુશનના 1000 રૂપિયા, બાકીના બધા ટર્મના 500 લે. અમારા R.K. 1000. એને ફોન કર્યો, R.K. એક છોકરાને ગણિત શીખવાડવાનું છે, કાલથી આવશે. કયા સમય આવે? કારણ કે R.K. પંડ્યા સાહેબ ના ત્યાં બેચ ચાલતી. એટલે એને કહ્યું મને કે ગણિત તારે એમના ત્યાં શીખવાનું, બોટની ઝૂલોજી વાંચજે, સમજણ ના પડે મને પૂછજે, પોતાને શીખવાય. મેં મનમાં હિસાબ માર્યો કે આ સાહેબના 2000 અને પંડ્યા સાહેબના બીજા 2000, 4000 રૂપિયાની ગાડી થઈ ગઈ. આપણને સ્કોલરશીપ મળતી હતી મહિને 50 રૂપિયા. જોકે ફૂડ બિલ 27 આવતું, એટલે 50 રૂપિયામાં રહેવામાં કોઈ તકલીફ નહોતી. પણ મારી પાસે પૈસા નહોતા, એ લોકો સાહેબ મને ટ્યુશન તો નહીં પોસાય, મારી પાસે પૈસા નથી. એને મને વળસકું કર્યું, સાહેબ પૈસા માંગ્યા કોઈએ? અરે સાહેબ એ દિવસ આ જયનારાયણ વ્યાસ, તમે જે જયનારાયણ વ્યાસ છો એમાં ટ્રાન્સફોર્મેશન થયું. બીજા ટેસ્ટમાં I scored 73%. મને જો પ્રોફેસર JS દવે ના મળ્યો તો આ વરઘોડો વાંચતા ગાજતા સિદ્ધપુરની SJ આર્ટ્સ એન્ડ કોમર્સ કોલેજમાં આવવાનો હતો. નહીં થયું અને IIT માં પહોંચ્યા આપણે. એ આ પહેલો જ મને પ્રોફેસર JS દવે મળ્યા, તે ટ્રાન્સફોર્મેશન. બીજો આવો અનુભવ પણ પ્રેપરેટરી સાયન્સમાં જ લખાયો હતો મારા નસીબે. મારા ગુજરાતીના શિક્ષકો, આજે જે ભાષા ઉપર મારું પ્રભુત્વ છે ને, એ એક તો હાઈસ્કૂલમાં અમારા ગુજરાતીના શિક્ષકોએ ઘડ્યું, પણ એને શેપ આપ્યો એ મારા 3 શિક્ષકો. એક પ્રોફેસર સુરેશ જોશી, ગુજરાતીના સૌથી મોટા ક્રિટિક તરીકે જાણીતા, બીજા કવિ કુમાર અને ત્રીજા ડોક્ટર રણજીતરામ અનામી. આ અમારા શિક્ષકો. અને માણસાઈના દીવા સુરેશ જોશી ભણાવે. અને ક્રિટિક એટલે એવો પાકો ક્રિટિક કે એમાં બાબર દેવો 6 ગોળી મારીને એક ભાઈને ધરબી દે એના શરીરમાં, તોય પેલો હેઠો ના પડે. એટલે એમ કે બાબર દેવાએ પછી બંદૂકનો કુંદો મારીને એને હેઠો પડે. અને પછી જોશી સાહેબ હસતા હસતા કે મેઘાણી પાછળ હાથ દઈને ઉભા હતા. 6 ગોળીઓ ક્લોઝ રેન્જ થી કોઈ મારે શરીરમાં રાઇફલ થી, માણસ ઉભો રહે એ કે બને નહીં, પણ વાંધો નહીં. આ એટલે અમારો કોર્સ પૂરો થયો દોસ્તો. એના દિવસે અમને ભાઈ ટાઈમ 10 મિનિટ એટલે કે છે 10-15 અમને અમારા જોશી સાહેબે કહ્યું કે હવે આ માણસાઈના દીવા મેં જે ભણાવી એમાં બધા બનાવો જે આપ્યા છે એમાંથી એક બનાવ કલ્પનાથી તમારે ઊંધો બને એવું સમજીને 3000 શબ્દોમાં સબમિશન કરવાનું છે. વાંધો નતો આપણને, એમાં મને મૂંઝવણ નહોતી થતી. એટલે મારું કમાટી બાગમાં જૂ, હવે જૂની સાથે પણ મારું એક અદમ્ય આકર્ષણ રહ્યું છે. કદાચ મારામાં પણ આવી વાનરવૃત્તિ છે એ કારણ હોઈ શકે, પણ ત્યાં એક ઝાડ છે કમાટી બાગમાં. હું એકલો ઝાડ નીચે કલાકોના કલાકો સુધી બેસી રહ્યો. જે તમે હમણાં મારી આત્મકથાનો બીજો ભાગ આવવાનો છે એમાં આ બધા મારા ચરિત્ર વાંચી શકશો. આત્મકથાનો મારો પહેલો ભાગ 11 ધોરણ સુધીનો છે. હવે IIT સુધીનું મારું જે જીવન છે એનો અબાઉટ a month's time મારો આત્મકથાનો ભાગ પ્રકાશિત થવાનો છે. તો આપણે ત્યાં પહોંચી ગયા ઝાડ નીચે, તૈયારી કરવા માંડ્યા. તૈયારી કરી, નિબંધ લખ્યો. અને દોસ્તો 6 ડિવિઝન હતા. મેં તમને કહ્યું ને રોલ નંબર 575, મને 42,978 મારો SSC નો રોલ નંબર હતો એ યાદ છે. તો આપણે F ડિવિઝનમાં પહેલો નંબર નિબંધ. ત્યાં સુધી વાંધો નતો, આપણે રાજી હતા કે જયનારાયણ વ્યાસ મજા આવી ગઈ. કાંઈ કોઈ મને ઓળખતું નતું કોલેજમાં. કાંઈ 46 કિલોની કાયા, સાવ ગામડિયા જેવો માણસ, કપડા લત્તા ઠેકાણા વગરના હોય અને થોડુંક અંગ્રેજી શીખતા હતા, બોલતા ના આવડે એટલે સંતાઈને રહીએ. પણ ત્યાં જોશી સાહેબે બોમ્બ ફેંક્યો કે આ 6 જે છોકરાઓ પહેલા આયા છે એમણે ઓડિટોરિયમમાં, એ વખતે પ્રેપરેટરી સાયન્સમાં લગભગ 600 ની સંખ્યા હતી. ઓડિટોરિયમમાં, ફૂલ ઓડિટોરિયમમાં ગુજરાતીના જે બધા પ્રાધ્યાપકો છે અને અમારા પ્રેપરેટરી સાયન્સના હેડ ડોક્ટર KS યાજ્ઞિક, એની હાજરીમાં 15 મિનિટ બોલવા માર્યા ઠાર. મેં કે જિંદગીમાં કોઈ દાડો માઇક જોયેલું નહીં અને જાહેર ભાષણ આપવાની તો વાત જ નહીં કરવાની. શરમાળ માણસ. અને આ સાહેબે તો બોમ્બ ફેંક્યો. તો આપણે કરવાનું હોય એટલે કરવાનું હોય. વળી પાછા આપણે તૈયારીમાં લાગીએ. મેં કેવો ઇન્સિડન્ટ તૈયાર કર્યો કે બાબર દેવો રવિશંકર મારે મળવાનો હતો, એક કોઈ કારણસર નહીં મળી શક્યો. અત્યારની લંબાવું નથી મારે, પણ એ મળ્યો હોત એ રીતની મેં આખી સીન કરી અને ડાયલોગ તૈયાર કરેલો. આપણે અને તમે જાણો છો છોકરાઓ એટલે વાંદરવેડા, તો વિદ્યાર્થીમાં વાંદરવેડા ના હોય તો એ યુવાન જ ના કહેવાય કે યુવતી જ ના કહેવાય. ચીચિયારીઓ પાડે, સીટી મારે, તમે પ્રોત્સાહિત કરે ને ક્યારેક વોટિંગ આઉટ કરે. મને ફાયદો એ હતો કે હું એફ ક્લાસમાં હતો. બી એટલે છેલ્લે આવે ને, તો ઘણી વાર કાર્ડનો ડબ્બો ભરવાના પણ ફાયદા હોય છે. એટલે ક્યારે છેલ્લે આવીએ ને બહુ ચિંતા નહીં કરવી, એમાંથી પણ ફાયદો નીકળે. એટલે છેલ્લા નંબરે આપણે બોલવાનું આવ્યું. ત્યાં સુધીમાં થોડી હિંમત આવી હતી, અને આ બધા આગળ બોલી ગયા એ કઈ બહુ મોટો વાઘ નથી માર્યો અમને, એ પણ દેખાયું. એટલે આપણે 15 મિનિટ માઇક ઉપર ગયા, બોલ્યા, અને દોસ્તો, આઈ ગોટ ધ ફર્સ્ટ પ્રાઇઝ. અને that was the transformation of Jainarayan Vyas, because overnight આખા કેમ્પસમાં એક ઓરેટર તરીકે મારી ખ્યાતિ થઈ ગઈ. પછી MS યુનિવર્સિટીના ઇલેક્શન તો એસેમ્બલી કરતા જોરદાર રીતે લડાતા હતા. એટલે આ બધા જે ઉભા રહે વાઇસ પ્રેસિડેન્ટ તરીકે યુનિવર્સિટી કેસ માટે, આઈ વોઝ ઓલવેઝ ઇન ડિમાન્ડ. અને મારું હેડક્વાર્ટર બન્યું સયાજીગંજ હેવમોર. આજે પણ હું સયાજીગંજ હેવમોરમાં વડોદરા જાઉં તો કોફી પીધા વગર નથી નીકળતો. ત્યાં બેસીને આપણે યુનિવર્સિટી રાજકારણ સંચાલક બન્યા. એટલે કોઈ GS માં ઉભો હોય તો એને જઈને ઇન્ટ્રોડ્યુસ કરવાનો કે મિસ્ટર સો એન્ડ સો, he is a very dynamic student leader, he has very brilliant ideas, if elected he will do a lot good for our community, and therefore friends, ladies and gentlemen, I present here so and so કરીને પછી પેલાને બે ચાર શબ્દો શીખવાડી રાખ્યા. મોટા ભાગના અમને બોલતા નહોતું આવતું, એટલે આપણો ભાવ ઉપસ્થિત. But that transformed me into a debater and also launched me in the university from an absolutely faceless personality to somebody who was recognized in any faculty, any canteen, any kind of a university program, any time. આ મારું બીજું ટ્રાન્સફોર્મેશન. આજે તમે મને જે જુઓ છો એ ડોક્ટર સુરેશ જોશીનું કાવતરું છે. I respect both my teachers and bow my head before them, their divine sort of memory, that they transformed this raw villager, absolutely a person with no plus points in personality, into somebody who has thereafter never looked back. This is what is teaching. And this is what a teacher can do. So I was transformed, and I said, as earlier, Putrat Shishyat Ichet Parajaya. I am very happy to say that I today carry a very healthy respect and very happy relationship with not only my Vice Chancellor, that is Vice Chancellor of Baroda, but every Vice Chancellor in the state of Gujarat. That is what is my teacher's contribution. There are several examples: Drona and Arjun, Krishna, Sandipani, Ram, Vasishtha, Krishna and Arjun. Which are the examples how a person can be transformed? But the best is that of Chhatrapati Shivaji and Guru Ramdas. Chhatrapati Shivaji put his entire kingdom at the feet of Guru Ramdas. And the Guru returned it to Shivaji, saying that from today you will have Bhagwa Dhwaj as your symbol, and you will work as a trustee of your kingdom on my behalf. This made Shivaji immortal. Now, how many gurus today can ask their third-rate students who become ministers, including myself? Of course, I don't take it as an exception, but this is a phenomenon that you are a trustee of the people, you are trustee of the treasury of the state, you are trustee of the well-being of the people, you are trustee of the department you are assigned to. How many of our leaders today believe it? Because they don't have Ramdas. And they are not as virtuous as Shivaji. Now, there is somewhere something wrong. And therefore, democracy has become a tool to misbehave. Friends, let me tell you, this 18 years lowering of voting rights by late Honorable Rajiv Gandhi has done such a great damage to the student-teacher relationship that you cannot imagine. At 12 or 13 years age, today a boy is acquired or caught by organizations like Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, NSUIC, Chhatra Sansad, and they are trained in what? In gerawing vice chancellor, in breaking benches, in asking for hartals, not permitting the education work to go on. Their dadagiri is such that the vice chancellor and the deans have to bow to the diktat of the student leader, who is a senate or syndicate member, and admit the people, admit the students on his recommendation or call. This has totally destroyed the student-teacher relationship. I personally believe that this lowering of voting age has done a greatest damage to the future generation of this country, because whether they will create the leaders out of them or not is a different matter. Perhaps Rajiv Gandhi was guided by a thinking that he was young, he started with an image as a Mr. Clean, and therefore if the youths vote, his power will be sort of indefinite. This doesn't happen. But in a process, today, the respect between Guru and the Shishya, of course, Gurus are also largely responsible. I have seen those professors. I have been a teacher. Till 2007, I was teaching full time. Now I occasionally teach subjects of my interest. I interact with 50,000 youth every year. Those teachers who have a substance, who are good teachers and who deliver in the class, they are always respected by this. But those who are hollow, who have no substance, have to bow to the diktats of the student leaders, and soon they also become part of this politics. So our universities today is a hotpot of politics, teacher, student combined. Now, this we are in need of teachers. Vice Chancellor Sahab has said, Chanakya, what he said was, शिक्षक कभी साधारण नहीं होता. अगर आप साधारण है, try to elevate yourself or quit this profession. शिक्षक कभी साधारण नहीं होता. साधारण है तो आपको अपमान ही मिलेगा. प्रलय और निर्माण उसकी गोद में खिलते हैं. अगर आप अच्छे शिक्षक नहीं है, तो training a generation next, which is going to be the future of this country, you will create a bad product, which will be responsible for pralay, which we are seeing partly descending down on India today. But if you are a teacher par excellence, निर्माण आपकी गोद में खेलता है. आप कहीं ना कहीं शिवाजी को क्रिएट करेंगे, कहीं ना कहीं the Sultan of Oman जैसे कई examples है. A good teacher is always respected. As I said, विद्वान सर्वत्र पूज्यते. So चाणक्य का ये वाक्य अति गंभीर अर्थ से भरा हुआ है. शिक्षक कभी साधारण नहीं होता, या वो असाधारण ही होता है. या तो प्रलय कराता है या निर्माण कराता है. आज प्रलय कराने वालों की संख्या बढ़ रही है. That is the unfortunate fact of life. इतने बड़े देश में, दुनिया की 200 यूनिवर्सिटी में 3 यूनिवर्सिटी हो, और वो भी पहली IIT बम्बई 152 में नंबर पे. हमें शर्म आनी चाहिए, क्योंकि आज का जो जमाना है, that is a knowledge era. Now Russia and America have developed a missile which will be cruising at a speed of 27,000 kilometers per minute. अगर वो दागा गया तो कोई सेना उससे लड़ नहीं पाएगी, न तो रफाल काम में आएगा, न दफाल काम में आएगा. You will be fighting that, intercepting that missile with supercomputers. Now that is knowledge. It is not going to be the manpower, it is going to be mind power which will be ruling the earth. Are we creating the future product which is matched with anywhere based in the world? And why are we not able to retain those who are near base in this country, like Sundar Pichai or others? They go to other countries like America and their knowledge is utilized by them. Both these things are worrisome. And the teachers of the day, उनको समझना चाहिए कि या निर्माण करना है या प्रलय करना है. दोस्तों, ये हमारे राष्ट्रपति जी, जिनके मेमोरी में हम टीचर्स डे मनाते हैं, एक दफा in 1921 were decorating a horse cart with flowers. The cart was being decorated for their teacher, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. When Dr. Radhakrishnan came out after a farewell ceremony, he saw the decorated wagon, but something was strange about it. The horses were missing. He was told to get inside the wagon. After he sat, few students took the place of horses and started pulling the wagon. They dropped him at Mysore railway station. The farewell was one of the unique kind, and this brilliant teacher equally deserved it. ये अगर आप राधा कृष्णन जैसे टीचर है तो आपके लिए भी विद्यार्थी कुछ भी करेंगे. ये मेरा खुद का अनुभव है. I have my students right from IAS to some of the multinational senior positions, and somewhere some the teachers or professors. And those who are best, they are best. Your teacher, the most intelligent the students are, he should remember that if he is trying to cheat his students and do something which is hanky-panky, there are smart guys in the class who will always catch him. So be prepared. Teach it not from here, from here. Transformation of knowledge is not an easy job, and therefore why the teacher is respected. Bhagwan Tathagat Buddha's teachings, most powerful, warmongering, hungry for wealth and empire, who saw the Narsinghar in Kalinga Yuddha, and it was Bhagwan Tathagat Buddha's preachings that then drew him towards ahimsa. He adopted Buddha's preachings, adopted Buddhism, and sent his two children, Mahendra and Sanghamitra, for propagating the philosophy of Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, Sangham Sharanam Gacchami, Ahimsa Paramo Dharma. Today, if we see the Buddhism spreaded far off countries like China and Japan, it is Sanghamitra and Mahendra who did this job, started with this job. And therefore, time has come when we teach our students two things. One, the 7 principles of Mahatma Gandhi, who said, Satya ahimsa chori na karvi, vadjoi tu nav sangharvu, brahmacharya ne jate mehnat, koi ade na abhadavu, apay swadeshi स्वार्थ त्याग ने सर्व धर्म सर का गढ़वा, ए अगियार महाव्रत समझी नम्रपणे दृढ़ आचरण. See how great a teacher was Gandhi. I teach time management, but I am yet to find a book which will be as effective as 3 sentences which were written behind the back of Mahatma in Wardha, where he was meeting his visitors. The first sentence was, be quick. Whatever you want to say it quickly. Second, be brief, be to the point. And third was, be gone. This is the best philosophy of time management. Be quick, be brief, be gone. If your job is over, chalte bano. Today's leaders believe in creating zamelas. They keep with people like a darbar and then go on wasting their time. Dhirubhai Ambani has said, friends, that a person જે માણસ એવું કહે છે કે એની પાસે સમય નથી, એ કાં તો ધૂર્ત છે કાં તો મૂર્ખ છે. Now you understand that everybody has 24 hours in a day. Some use it properly, duly planned. Some use it like creating darbars and talking useless things, and then worry about or tom-tom from the rooftop that સમય ક્યાં મળે છે? 6-8 મહિના 12 મહિના. અમુક તો મિત્રો એવા છે કે જે મંત્રી બને એ દિવસની ફાઇલ એમની પાસે હોય, તો મંત્રી પદ છોડે એ દિવસની ફાઇલ પણ એમની પાસે હોય. Now, if with this you expect them to control the administration, forget about it. So this mantra which Samrat Ashok adopted, Kamaye Dukhataptanam Prani Namat Vinasha. Kamaye Dukhataptanam Prani Namat Vinasha. That is the theme that should govern our life. The 11 dharmas which Mahatma said should govern our life. Let me tell you, friend, Gandhi is more relevant today than he was during his time. Gandhi is one personality which is today more discussed and followed all over the world, not in your country. We somehow specialize in picking up some wrong things out of Gandhi. Wrong, unfortunately. In Russia, after a marriage, the newly wedded couple goes to a war memorial and puts the wreath and acknowledges that because you suffered miseries, because you sacrificed, because you fought for us, we are able to live in today's peaceful and cultured Russia. We are grateful to you. Do we remember our history? Do we remember our heroes? Heroes do not belong to somebody who is committed to Hindutva. Hindutva is something which tells you, आनो भद्रा क्रतवो यंतु विश्वतः. हर दिशा से मेरे मगज में सच्चे विचार आए. Hindutva is a philosophy, it is not a religion. Hindutva is one which teaches you to pray. Sarvatra sukhina santu, sarva santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashantu, ma kaschit dukh bhag bhave. There cannot be Hindu heroes and other heroes. The heroes are heroes who fought for us, laid their life at the prime of their youth, and while Bismil or Bhagat Singh or others, Sukhdev, were sent to gallows, they said कि हमारा जो मुंह काले कपड़े से ढकते हो मत ढकना, ताकि हमारी लास्ट मीट हमारी मातृभूमि पे पड़े. इनका स्लोगन था, मेरी मैया के सिर पर ताज रहे, ये देश मेरा आजाद. Do we deserve it? If we are going to deserve it, you will have to remember Alvin Toffler, that today we are in the era of knowledge. One who has the knowledge, earliest access to it, shall be most powerful. No stupid slogans can ever make you world leader. Knowledge, 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 and core to the heart knowledge can only make you the world leaders. And for that, you need good students and far better teachers than we think about them. Today, who are up to date, who look at tomorrow with hope, who are up to date as far as the future developments are taking place, and who respect knowledge, and leaders who respect knowledge. Siddharth Jaisi, last example I'd like to share with you. Anartha, Gujarat, was one of the major states, prosperous states in India. The seat of power was Patan. When he visited Malwa after conquering Yashovarma, he found that there are Pandits, and somebody told him, taunted him, कि आप मालवा को नहीं जीत सकते, मालवा की सरस्वती जो है वो आपके पास नहीं है. And he took it to his heart, came back and called the meeting of the Vidwans that we must have something which brings pride to our language, our culture. Everybody looked with hate out. So Samchandracharya Suri who said we will do it. And a granth was created, Siddhahem, Gujarati grammar and literature. वो इतना अच्छा था कि हाथी की अंबाड़ी में उसको रख के पूरे नगर में सिद्धराज ये ग्रंथ की सिद्धहेम की अगुवानी करते हुए he walked, being the king superior who conquered Malwa, he walked with this procession on foot. This is the respect a ruler must be prepared to give to the wisdom. A ruler must be prepared to give to the teacher. And a teacher must be able to command this respect. Respect is commanded, it is never demanded. ये अगर भाव हमारे शासकों में आए, हमारे शिक्षकों में आए, तो मैं मानता हूं कि एक दिन ऐसा आएगा जब हम विश्व गुरु बनने की जो कल्पना कर रहे हैं वो शेयर पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ से नहीं बनेंगे. आजकल तो हम यही सीखे हैं कि सरकार करेगी, सरकार सब कुछ करेगी, सरकार मुफ्त में करेगी और हमारा पुण्य कार्य सिर्फ इस देश की जो जनसंख्या है उसमें वृद्धि करने के अलावा कोई नहीं. We are an irresponsible democracy and lot of blame must be taken by the teachers for not creating the generation which is aware about the responsibilities on their shoulder. So like there are good teachers who can be credited with a number of good things, there is a bulk which is politicized, which doesn't study, which are वो सरस्वती उपासक नहीं रहे, जो नोटबुक से वो शुरू करते हैं अपनी कैरियर, वही नोटबुक वो रिटायर होते हैं तब उनके पास होती है. ये शिक्षकों के लक्षण नहीं. शिक्षक सदा सीखता है और जो सदा सीखता है नव निर्माण की बात करता है, नया जो अद्यतन है वो अपने विद्यार्थियों में बांटता है और बेस्ट एंड द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट उनका कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग एंड कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग करता है वही शिक्षक. शिक्षक कोई टेक्स्ट बुक पढ़ाने से नहीं बनता, शिक्षक कोई क्लास में लेक्चर लेने से नहीं बनता. शिक्षक वो बन सकता है जो अपने विद्यार्थी में ज्ञान का तो प्रत्यारोपण करे ही, मगर उसके साथ उसमें नीतिमत्ता, पर्सनालिटी और एक तरह से कॉन्फिडेंस का जो प्रत्यारोपण करके उसको एक पूर्ण ह्यूमन बीइंग यानी इंसान बनाए, वो शिक्षक है. और वो शिक्षक को आज हम नतमस्तक हमारी श्रद्धा वंदना अर्पित करते हैं. प्रोफेसर श्रीवास्तव और प्रकाश भाई का मैं आभारी हूं कि आप लोगों के साथ इस दिन मेरे विचार बांटने की उन्होंने मुझे सहूलियत कर दी. उपकृत हूं मैं उनके ये जेस्चर के लिए और आप सबके भी मैं धन्यवाद करता हूं कि आपने बिल्कुल जो भी मैंने कहा सुना, सुनने के लिए समय निकाला और आशा करता हूं कि उसमें से आपको कुछ न कुछ कहीं न कहीं तो स्पार्क प्राप्त किया होगा, स्पार्क मिला होगा. आप ही इस देश का फ्यूचर है, शिक्षक ही इस देश का भविष्य है। अगर सरकारें समझती है तो अच्छा है। आज हमारा प्राइमरी शिक्षण गड्ढे में क्यों गया है? क्योंकि हमने शिक्षक को शिक्षक नहीं रहने दिया। शिक्षक मतगणतरी करने में भी जाता है, संग्रहणा की गिनती में भी जाता है, कोविड एडवाइजर या कोविड उसमें भी जाता है। शिक्षण के सिवा आप शिक्षक के पास से हर चीज कराएंगे, एंड देन स्टिल वर्स्ट, सम ऑफ the gram committees which preside over the schools, SCM, what they call school management committees, SMs, you have people जो गांव में जिनकी इज्जत नहीं है वो आके आचार्य की कुर्सी में बैठते हैं। क्या आप इनके बच्चों को क्या सिग्नल देना चाहते? जो आदमी कभी शाम को पिया हुआ पाया जाता है, जिसके मुंह से गलत बातें निकलती है, जिसके गांव में कोई इज्जत नहीं है, वो मेरे स्कूल का मेरे 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 प्रिंसिपल की कुर्सी पे बैठे। दोस्तों, मैंने आज तक कभी भी किसी भी स्कूल में गया, मैंने कभी प्रिंसिपल की कुर्सी पे या किसी शिक्षक की कुर्सी पे बैठना मुनासिब नहीं समझा, क्योंकि ये सर्वोच्च स्थान है सरस्वती मंदिर के पुजारी का, जिसको आप अपवित्र नहीं कर सकते। सिर्फ शिक्षक दिन एक दिन टोकनिज्म की वजह करके सेलिब्रेट करने से कुछ नहीं होना। We have to, in real sense, respect teacher and stand with them that they do teacher's job only, and they are facilitated, empowered, and helped to do that job efficiently and effectively. उसी दिन मैं मानता हूं कि वो हर दिन फिर शिक्षक दिन होगा और इस देश का भावी वो निर्माण शिक्षक की गोद में खेलेगा, तब तक कुछ नहीं। मैं निराश नहीं हूं, मगर साथ में जो आज हालात है उसको भी स्वीकारना होगा। जिस राज्य में, जिस देश में पहले गायकवाड़ के समय में सुबह का प्रोग्राम हो तो उसके साथ पुलिस पटेल बैठता, मुखी बैठता और आचार्य जो स्कूल का है वो बैठता। ये शिक्षक की पोजीशन थी। हमने उसमें से शिक्षक का क्या किया है इन द नेम ऑफ एजुकेशन, आप समझ सकते हैं। हमें शिक्षक दिन पे ये तय करना होगा, ये संकल्प करना होगा कि हम हमारे शिक्षकों में, खास करके प्राथमिक स्कूल के शिक्षकों में, इनका गौरव पुनः स्थापित करेंगे। इनको ऑल एंड सन्ड्री काम के लिए नहीं इस्तेमाल करेंगे, इनको शिक्षण कार्य में ही जुटने के लिए प्रेरित करेंगे, और वो शिक्षण कार्य में जुटे हुए शिक्षक के साथ सरकार और इनकी शिक्षा विभाग बिल्कुल अभेद्य एक दीवार बन के खड़ी रहेगी, ताकि कोई दुष्ट तत्व इनको परेशान न करे। उस दिन इस देश में शिक्षक दिन सही मायने में सेलिब्रेट किया जाएगा। धन्यवाद दोस्तों, मजा आया आपके साथ बातें।
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, तुम्हारा बनने दाखला of being a zero in chemistry to a postgraduate from IIT and from a low orator to a very high orator were truly inspirational. Your emphasis on mind power, knowledge, and primary education were really the need of the hour. Thank you so much, sir, for empowering all the teachers. Thank you, sir. Dear teachers, we may not say this every day, but the beautiful footprints of hope you have etched in our hearts will stay there forever. I now request our Honorable Registrar, Shri Alok Kumar Singh, to propose the vote of thanks.
Honorable President, Shri Prakash Bhai Patel sir, Honorable Provost, Professor Dr. V.K. Srivastava sir, respected distinguished chief guest and renowned speaker, academician, as well as administrator, Dr. Jay Narayan Vyas sir, respected all deans of faculties, directors, principals, head of the institutes, other faculty members of Sakal Chand Patel University, and our most valued participants, my dear students. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this revered occasion of Teachers' Day. I, Alok Kumar Singh, Registrar, Sakalchand Patel University, on behalf of the whole university and the entire team, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to all for gracing this occasion today. A big thank you to Dr. Jay Narayan Vyas sir for his motivational speech. His real life experiences will guide us in future. Sir, we are all inspired by your great words. I also wish to express my gratitude to Honorable President, the young and energetic entrepreneur, Sri Prakash Bhai Patel sir, for providing valuable guidance and encouragement. I may like to express our sincere thanks to respected Provost, Professor Dr. V.K. Srivastava sir, for giving an excellent coverage and analysis of the topic. And we also would like to acknowledge our gratitude to Master of Ceremony, Professor Dr. Silpa Duseja Madam, and Dean Faculty of Management Sciences, Dr. Jitendra Sharma sir, for their contribution and support. I would like to take this opportunity to place on record our hearty thanks to Dr. Hitesh Rawal sir and his technical team for the perfect IT support. I also extend my thanks to all whose name has not been mentioned here. However, their enormous cooperation in organizing this event directly or indirectly cannot be ignored. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues of Sakalchand Patel University who know their job and are result oriented. Respected President sir, ladies and gentlemen, once again, I want to state that we are all most grateful to our distinguished speaker on this stage. We thank you for being with us this afternoon. It's been a great pleasure. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Garvi Gujarat.
Thank you,
Thank
Vyas
you
sir.
very much, Jay Narayan સાહેબ. અને આપનું સાહેબ સ્પીકર અનમ્યુટ કરશો.
Pleasure to connect with your very distinguished university.
Thank you, sir.
And I am very happy to see that the vision Sankalchand Bhai had, the monumental work Vishwakosh, I am
Yes,
just 500 feet, 500 yards away from it.
Yes, sir.
Dhirubhai Thakur was one of our senior most students of
Right,
LS
sir.
School.
That's it.
So I had always, Kumarpal Bhai also is a good friend. You are doing, Sankalchand Bhai's vision will be, it is immortalized, and you should be very proud about it.
Thank you, sir. And today we are inaugurating our COVID test lab first time in North Gujarat by private medical college.
Yes,
So today we are going to inaugurate that lab also.
right.
અને આજે દાદાનું સાહેબ એક કોટ કરેલું સેન્ટેન્સ છે કે તું તારા પાટા તારા પેટે પાટા બાંધીને પણ તારા બાળકને ભણાવજે. આજે આપણે યાદ કરીએ છીએ અને સાહેબ એમની લેગસી આપણે કન્ટિન્યુ કરીશું અને અમે ટ્રાય કરીએ છીએ કે નોર્થ ગુજરાત અને ગુજરાતના સ્ટુડન્ટ્સને આપણે વન ઓફ ધ બેસ્ટ એજ્યુકેશન પ્રોવાઈડ કરીએ. અને
God bless you.
થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ સર.
And our good wishes and my personal good wishes are always with you.
થેન્ક યુ સર.
Thank you, Vyas sir. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.